Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are stuffing paycheck number 5 of August and we are working with $321. So let's get right into it. First thing I'm gonna do is lay out the money on the table. All right, my cash envelopes, and church is getting $20. So we're gonna do a 20. Okay. Home essentials doesn't get anything. Laundry, it's getting $10 bill. Oops. Family time doesn't get anything. And my personal envelope, I still haven't been able to make it. I'm always so busy with orders, so I'm going to be stuffing the money in here. So we're doing 75, that's a 50, a 20, and a 5. Alright, so we're done with that. And now let's do some sinking funds. Okay, so we're gonna start with Julian, and this week we are stuffing a little bit less than usual because I need to save money for vacation, well, spending money. So Julian is getting $10. So Julian now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77, 177. All right. My son Mason also is getting $10. So Mason now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77, 177. All right, Milo, my puppy, like I mentioned in my other videos, we've already met the goal to pay the dog sitter. And I also got him groomed on Monday. If you guys have me on Instagram, you'll see that. So now I'm actually stuffing money to tip the dog sitter. So my goal is $50. So for this week, I'm putting 25. Okay. Student loan, oh my god guys, so yesterday I got an email saying that repayment for loans has been extended till January, so that's awesome. So I'm able to actually keep saving so I can put this towards my student loan until it resumes, so that's great. So student loan now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 150. All right, school supplies, we already did all of our school shopping, so I'm only adding $1. It's better than nothing. All right, birthdays gets $5. So birthdays now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $95. All right, Christmas is getting $5. So Christmas now has $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35. And I know a lot of people have been messaging me on Etsy that they want me to bring back the Christmas box, and I will. I'm just I have so many orders right now to do that I can't do the Christmas box because it does take a lot of time. But when I do come back from vacation, I will work on these. Vacation gets $90, and this is all for like food, you know, spending money. So we're doing a 50 and 2 20s, that's 90. All right, emergency gets $10. We're doing a 10. So emergency now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. It's 175. Guys, so right now there are, I believe, 5 of the starter set in stock on my Etsy. So if you wanna grab one before I leave, you can go ahead and do that, and I will ship it out before I leave. So I am working on these right away. So if you want to get the starter set, which is the binder, the 5 envelopes, the 5 1K slips, and then also the cash breakdown card and the bank envelope, make sure you check that out. I actually have them on sale right now. I'll leave my Etsy linked on my description. So family savings gets $10. I'm doing a 10. So family savings now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 175. Dream Home gets $10. So we're doing the last 10. So Dream Home now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. It's 175. And then lastly, subscriptions gets $5, and that's the last 5. So subscriptions now has 10, 15, 20, 25, $30. And the Savings Challenge doesn't get anything this week. $1 challenge, we didn't have any rollover from last week, so that's nothing. And then, well, actually the sinking fund tracker I have to update, because if you didn't see my last video, we did unstuff Milo, school supplies, and vacation, so I do need to update all of these. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. 'Cause I've been thinking about you.